Today we are showing how to disable this Windows update automatic and permanently, and how to on this one. There have the lot of policy have in here. You need to go register file. Also you need to go and go this lot of area you need to go, then this update is off. So today we are giving simply there need to go service register, then system configuration, then is the disable the update. Today we are showing not going in here is go the too much simply. You just need to download what is this off. We are showing off is have in here your service is off, then service web is this off, then others your register is some off, then your service option is off. Lot of area this up you need to the manually. We are not go the manually, you just download these apps and need to off your virus threat, because when virus is creating the problem. Off. Now you need to extract these extracts. There have a two options. We are checking my laptop or PC properties. Coming and coming. My PC is the 64-bit. I show you where there have Windows 10, CPU graphics, desktops, and showing you this is 64-bit Windows. This is the 64-bit Windows. So we are on this 64-bit. Just click the double click, then on. There have the enable and disable. When we are disable, then go apply. Now your Windows, you go in here, Windows update. When you check update, there have showing error. Yeah, you see your Windows some setting is organized. When you check again, showing some setting is organized. Retry. Your Windows now is permanently off in the update. Also same system, you just enable and apply. Just wait. Now you check, retry. This message is going. Now again Windows update is enabled. You not need to go settings, service or register or enters. Is the simply. Now we are no need the update, so we just off this one. You see my updating is working automatic. You see, not showing the missing something. So now no need, just we are disable this one. Now when we are go and checking updates, showing the problem, some settings. Okay, thank you.